Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Anthony Shields. I'm a information technology cybersecurity instructor at Fort Peck Community College. That's fpcc.edu. Um, what I'm be doing right now is sharing with everybody is a course navigation tutorial. Uh, I'm for screen here is my dashboard for an instructor. All the courses I'm teaching this semester. Uh, I'm gonna go. We're gonna utilize the cybersecurity. It says essentials here, but it's actually connected to a Cisco Networking Academy, and that course is called Intro to Cybersecurity. These are the naming nomenclature we have to use in our Montana university system. So we have to name our courses according to like this. So all of our credits will be shared across Montana colleges. First thing I do is click on the course, then I go to modules, and I have this Neticat external link on the top of most of my courses. Down below here is just showing you what needs to be completed by every week. There's more content for the student to see at the academy. Okay, first thing I have to do is log in. Okay, these are the classes, some of my classes at the Cisco Neticat. Um, I'm going to go to My Learning. I put this course in the My Learning so it looks like this is what a student would see. So it goes right into the tutorial video, but actually the first page that loads up is a knowledge check. It's like a pre-test. So the student will have to do this going in blindly, right? Maybe they have some background in cybersecurity, maybe not. Most of the time, they do not have any background knowledge of it. Might have read something a little bit about it, but as far as it comes to this type of a course, maybe not. So the next thing I wanted to do, there is a course navigation tutorial that is really nice from Cisco, but I wanted to make it more um, because I wanted to make it more about personal. Is that when I do post it in the course, um, I also wanted to share this part, the accessibility. I've been reading up on that accessibility guidelines and whatnot. Those other documents that we had to download in our course, our first course with QM. We've got. I wanted to share a few of things. Introduction to cybersecurity and screen readers. Good information here. Uh, Component name and description and accordion within Cisco Neta CAD courses. Selecting each title heading reveals additional text and optional image, like here. And then how it interacts, the screen reader will advise that the title heading is a clickable button and will read the title heading. Press the spacebar or enter key to expand the heading. Press down arrow to continue to main body to the next title heading. There's an image, the alt text will be read out. The flip cards for accessibility, screen readers. The screen reader will read out the alt text for the first flip card image. Press the enter key or the space bar to flip the card. These little cards flip. So on and so forth. I wanted to share some of that with you for the reader, and I'll go with the navigation guide for the keyboard real quickly. Talks about you can navigate through the intro cybersecurity course using keyboard only navigation. This table lays out some fundamental keys you'll need to use in this course. If you need a screen reader, a keyboard, use the keyboard shortcuts. A tab key uses the tab key to move from one object to another. Shift plus tab to move in reverse order. Arrow keys, of course, up and down. Enter will select it. It's just like a mouse click. Space bar to activate the selected object. Escape, so on and so forth. So I just wanted to share those two items down here. We'll go right into the introduction or the world of cybersecurity. Uh, so as we scroll down, this is just your header, your title, and your background screenshot. It introduces this person, right? Always named Guru, works at an e-learning company called At Apollo. It's like you're a new hire and whatnot as they walk you through. 1.1.1 talks about what is cybersecurity, introduces it briefly, one selection, and these, I'm just sharing these with you because I want to explain to the students as well that these are pin icons. You can click on them, and basically it'll say 1, 2, 3 pin icons. It talks about personal. You need to safeguard identity, data, and your computer devices. You hit the arrow key, go to the 2, organizational. It is everybody's responsibility to protect the organization's reputation, data, and customers and government. So that's your pin icon. Here's the second one. Every one of these courses in cyber Cisco Netacad has these, and this government one has 3 to 3. So it's basically all three. As you scroll down, protecting your data. Here's those flip cards we're talking about. Images, right? You click the image, it flips. You read the card, and you can flip it back. All the cards like that. And then you have these little mini quizzes. Students can take these as many times as they want to actually get the correct answer. They do not go towards the grade book at all. It's just to get them used to clicking around and to get familiar with the final quiz or the checkpoint test and the final test. So this one, it says, this is your first chance to gain some valuable defender points at e-learning company at Apollo. So take your time and think carefully before you make a decision. Basically, we have to do your first time on a job. You got to choose a username for your online identity. Which of the following options would you choose? Choose 2 of them. So everybody wants to click something like that. That looks kind of like it's a good one, right? That is a good one. This one, or this one is next. I think I'm going to pick the JDO. And you submit your answer. And it says, okay, you're right. Those 2 are correct. And then it goes on to tell you more. Don't use your full name or parts of your address and a phone number. Don't use your email username. Don't use the same username and password combination, especially in financial accounts, so on and so forth. You can close the pop up. And here we have some more. So that's pretty much it as far as how do you to get around, get flip cards and all that kind of stuff. Here's some more stuff. Here's another little quiz. Share your example. This is what do hackers want? And this is can you think of an example that you have experienced yourself as you or that you have heard or read about where cyber criminals have accessed or tried to access financial information online? It's happened to everybody. It's happened to me before. I put this little information. My debit card was shut down by my bank security services as a bad business from China. One of those links, it looked like a good link. Tried very hard to bill my account, but it got stopped. Our bank has pretty good security. So this is a lengthy 1.1 um, talks about all the way down. And we got to go 1.2, 1.3, cyber attacks, everything. Then you have the little quiz, right? So the students will get on through all these modules, and then they'll have to do a checkpoint test, which is you can't take it more than once, right? But anyways, I just wanted to share a few things with you this late night. I'm up pretty late tonight doing this. I've been kind of caught a bad cold and whatnot this past Friday, and had a tough weekend. Finally getting to this assignment. I know it closes up on Wednesday. Okay, I'm going to shut it down here. Thank you for watching my course navigation tutorial.